Going on, guys? It's Nick. Today we're gonna talk about self-lender. A lot of you guys already know about self-lender, really the benefits of it. I'm just reiterating. You know, this is one of those affordable, secure loan companies. You know, they just started a package a few months ago to where you can start with $12 and then pay like $25 a month. Which is affordable. And I really like that because it leaves zero, room for excuses. If you don't have $25 a month, there's a problem. There's a big underlying issue for why you can't, you know, come up with $25 a month to build your credit. You could pick up cans on the street, find pennies on the ground, and be able to afford self-lender. It's really that affordable. You know, it's one of those credit lines that are for my clients too. They have a very thin file. Hell, one guy came to me. He had another credit repair company clean his credit up. They had an AUs on his credit report, and that's all he had. And I'm sitting there and looking. I'm like, okay, cool. I go to the back office. He has a great score. He has like a 769. Well, as I'm going through it, I'm like, man, you don't have any primaries. Like, you don't have nothing. All you have is AUs. And you apply for two places and you wonder why you got denied. I'm like, they didn't tell you, to go add a modules or a self-lender where you just to add some type of primaries in your name to really, beef up your file. You're like, no. And I'm like, bro, go ahead and sign up for self-lender. Go ahead and get that nice secure loan, let it report for about 6 months. Go ahead and get that modulars. This is one of those primaries that you want to add to beef up your score. If you got your credit is being idle and you're not doing anything, you're trying to save money. Go ahead and get a self lender. Even if you had self lender already, go ahead and get another one. get a bigger loan amount. You got a bulk of cash, go ahead and get a self-lender. You got a couple grand sitting in the bank account not doing anything, go ahead and get a self-lender to build your credit, so to show that you can afford those higher limit loans. It's really no excuses why you can't build credit. This is another awesome primary to really have, and then you get your money back at the end of the year. Or you can pay it off early. You got to choose to have it report for the rest of the year, or you can choose to get that money back early. Who doesn't want that? I've had self-lender twice. First time way back like a year and a half ago, and then like another time 6 months ago. Just because I'm not doing anything for my credit right now. I just went ahead, had some extra cash, just laying around. I went ahead and got a self-lender for like $1,000, and I'm just letting it report. Paid it off early, not worried about it. Just letting it report every month, like clockwork. It's simple. It's really simple to join. If you can apply for an auto loan. You can apply for this. They're really transparent. Customer service gets back to you, fast. They send you a check in the mail. I believe they do direct deposit, but I'd rather have a check. Other than that, it's really to my review. I really don't have any cons for self-lender. It really is all pros. It really just leaves nothing on the table for excuses. Go ahead, guys. My information, you want to get in contact with me, is in the description. You want a copy of my ebook and my actual dispute letters, go ahead and follow the link in the description. All right, guys.